Hey, it's Joe from the Legend and stuff. I've been trying to get the fish off my dog, and it's not working out at all, because he's too fast. Dog fish. Well, it's a shark, but we call it a fish, because that's what Jack calls it, even though he doesn't talk much at all, actually. Maybe. I'm using the back camera this time. Again, also. So, that's. I'm still at my grandma's. So, is it? I don't know. Hang on. I'm gonna try and get this girl. There. She's on a scooter. She's on a scooter. But so I get a new phone tomorrow. Wow! So I can upload my videos like wherever I am, whenever I want. Getting a BlackBerry Curve, which is pretty cool. I'm just walking around the garden. Is it walking around the garden or ring a rose? I don't know. There's a baby with moobs. Okay, okay. Baby with moobs. There's grandma. There's grandma there. Making a vlog. It's grandma. Grandma's coming.
What are you doing?
I'm putting this on YouTube, you know.
On where?
YouTube, and you're on it.
Don't put me in it.
I've put her in it, the girl over there.
Alright.
On the scooter. She doesn't even know I have. But I have. She's not there anymore. I think she's gone into the back garden. Behind the fence. Nope, she isn't. She's behind like
She's got
there.
One wheel.
Unicycle. Yeah, I know, yeah, I saw her riding it.
Has she been on it today?
No, ages ago. Stones. Baby with moobs! God, this is so cool, because I can like scope the place out without like anyone knowing it's like I'm here. Horseshoe. Grandma, how many horseshoes have you got?
I don't know.
Have you only got that one? Because I thought I saw one in the garage. Well, not the garage, but like the thing.
No.
Like.
We're really not there because we used on the back door.
Go.
You have to tell her to do her tricks.
No. So yeah, I'm getting a new phone. BlackBerry Curve, which is awesome. Man. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go. Have an excellent hour or day or a minute or second or year or whatever. Subscribe, and I'll see you later. Hang on. So it's there. Okay. Bye.